India in the coming future. Wow. Bless them, Lord. Bless them. The second I said, Lord, I thank you for what you're going to do in India, I felt the robe of Jesus all around me. Oh, how he loves India. And the people of India are so dear to him. His heart is so big for all of us. Use these pastors and use the pastors who are here from India, Lord, and those who are watching around the world and in India even now. Bless them. Bless them. Bless them, anoint